sick.
Okay. Leave it alone.
Head up, please.
I know.
I'm sorry, it's boring, but. Alright. These forms, you can get them online, but you have to keep them. Blah, blah, blah. Alright, so this is what one of the forms looks like. And they are, have to be under lock and key. So every prescriber has a DEA number for controlled substances. They all begin with 2 letters and then are followed by 7 digits.
What did I say wrong to you? Oh, yeah.
Jackie, will you close the door, please? The first letter of this identifies the person that's doing the prescribing. The second letter has to be the first letter of the prescriber's last name. You're going to have to learn how to do these. And what do you say?
Excuse me.
She said, excuse me.
I shouldn't have to say that. You're a junior.
I said, oh,
Put your
sorry.
good mouth. Second letter is the prescriber's last name. Don't get mad. When you figure these, the first, the third, and the fifth numbers have to be added up. I'm just going over it real quick right now. We'll spend a lot of time. And the second, fourth, and sixth numbers are calculated, added, and then multiplied by 2 and added. Anyway,
So will we just like make them up?
Yes. You'll have to, first you're going to have to learn how to do them. This is just a quick overview. And then after you guys have learned how to do them, then you'll have to make some up, yeah. But the last digit is called I've never heard it called the checksum, but there we go. Alright. So, the example, AR, the first, the third, and the fifth number have to be added up. So, what's the first number?
4.
And the third?
4.
And then the fifth?
9.
7.
So 4 and 4 is 8, and 7 is 15. So 15 goes in that first blank. Then, the next step, you have to add the second, fourth, and sixth number. So 3 and 2 is 5, and 9,
14. So that would be
3 and 2
oh,
is 5, and 9.
and 9 makes 14. So yeah.
Because 9 plus 5.
13. I thought you were saying
No, I said 14.
What?
3 plus 2 is 5,
5
plus
and
9 is 14.
You're right, it is. We said it backwards. Anyway. Take that number and multiply it by 2.
28.
Then you have to add 28, and then what would you get for the first one? The first, third, and fifth number
Was
8, and 7 is 15. So you add 15 and 28, and you get
You get whatever you get.
44? Is it? No, 43, I think.
yeah, it's down at the bottom.
Oh.
You get 43, and so the 3 is that digit has to be the same as the last digit, or the 7th check digit is what I heard it. Check digit, okay? And then you have to check the letters. And the letters, you have to be either an A or a B, or an M or an H. And the second letter is what?
R.
The prescriber's last name. The first initial of the prescriber's last name.
So R is one of the.
So this could be Dr. Rue, Dr. Is that the only R, isn't it? What? Rutherford. Yeah, I'm in here. Yes, you're right.
Oh, I didn't even like.
You're right, it is the first letter of their last name. Is that what you said?
I thought you were just last names in general.
Oh, that's okay. I was just using the examples of you guys. I had to make up a PowerPoint about this, and I think it's a better, I got it different colors, so, you guys won't, a lot of you won't be here tomorrow. Anyway, if you guys are not gonna be here tomorrow, you need to turn in your bell work. Every day is 20 points, so you guys that won't be here, that's 80 points for you guys. Those of you that will, it'll be 100. So 20 points for each day.
Wait, that one?
It's not gonna be counted against you.
Did you say for Bella? That's a lot of points.
But I'm not gonna
20
have.
points each day.
I even have it, so I don't do it. Me neither. And then pops her knuckles when she said it. She was popping knuckles.
You know?
Do you want me to stop this?
That's